Okay, here we have the question number 8. Question number 8, the paper 22, 2020, paper is 22, means the second paper over here. A birthday cake is in the shape of a cylinder. There are two layers of the cake and one layer of icing. Okay, the figure over here, then the two layers of cake in the 3 centimeter, then 3 centimeters here, and the radius is given as the 10 centimeter, and here the icing layer is 12 millimeter. Be careful of the units because here we have the 12 millimeter, others we have the unit centimeters. Okay, now each layer of the cake radius 10 centimeter, height 3 centimeter, of icing between the two layers of the cake of the radius 10 centimeter and height is 12 millimeter. This one. Okay, calculate the volume of the icing in the birthday cake. Give your answer in centimeter cube. We're supposed to write the answer in the centimeter cube. Here the one important thing over here, when we're supposed to change millimeter to centimeter, as we know there are the 10 millimeter in 1 centimeter, and when we're supposed to change millimeter to centimeters, we divide it by 10, which gives us 1.2 centimeter. Now, using the formula of the volume of the cylinder, pi r square h. Okay, pi r square h. We take the value of the pi, that is the 3.142. You're supposed to write here the 2 over here, 142, and the radius is the 10 square, and then the height of the icing is the 1.2 centimeter. When we're supposed to calculate it, and it gives us 376.8. All the other calculations, the main thing is over here, to change this millimeter to the centimeters, and after that we know the formula, that is pi r square and h. Other are the simply we substitute the values over here and then calculate it. Okay, after that we have another part, the part b over here, that is basically a top and the curved surface of the birthday cake are now covered with the chocolate. Calculate the area of the birthday cake that is covered with the chocolate. If we're supposed to check again the birthday cake, okay, if it covered with a chocolate like this, let's say its top, this one, okay, covered with chocolate, it gives the pi r square, and then this one, the curved surface area. The curved surface area is of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. Okay, it means we have 2 pi r h, this part, and then pi r square to find. Okay, this part is basically is covered with the chocolate. We're supposed to find the total surface area of the cake covered with the chocolate. Okay, the upper part is, this one is pi r square, and this one is 2 pi r h, 2 pi r and h. Okay, then when we're supposed to add these two areas to get the answer, or we can say it we the area of the covered with the birthday. Okay, we're supposed to write the formula over here. Okay, that is 2 pi r h plus pi r square, okay, covered surface area and then the top. Okay, when we're supposed to substitute the values over here, let's say we have the 2 times pi 3.142, and then the radius is 10, and then the height is 7.2. How we know the 7.2 over here? Because we have 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1.2, this one is, we can set here, let's say we 3 plus 3 is 6, and then 6 plus 1.2, 6.0, 1.2, which gives us the total one is, this one is 7.2, height is 7.2. Now when we're supposed to calculate it, plus pi r square, then the 3.142, and then pi r square 452, and other calculations are when we're supposed to multiply 2 times 3.142 times 10, and then times 7.2, which gives us 452.45 plus 3.142, when we're supposed to multiply by 110 square gives the 100, and we move the two decimal places over to the forward, which gives us 314.2. And when we're supposed to add up 452.45 plus 314.2, which gives us 766.6 centimeters square. This is the uh, area of the birthday cake, which is covered with the chocolate. Thank you so much.